Isn't this place nice? I mean, just look around. There's so much nature. No one around, and I don't know, it's just quiet but not too quiet, you know? I like when you can hear the birds chirping and sometimes sometimes I wish we did this more often, just having some alone time. I mean, it's great hanging out with your other friends too, but I just wish we could be alone more often. I really like those times better. Um, I also brought some sandwiches and drinks and stuff because I mean it's a picnic. um, well, I didn't want to come here for a picnic only. I mean, yeah, of course, but I I also wanted to. How do I say that? I wanted to talk to you about something I thought about for a very long time. Um, but yeah, well, we can eat first, right? I'm nervous. No, no, it's nothing bad. It's just, um, I don't know how you're gonna react, but I mean, we're best friends, right? So nothing bad is going to happen, right? Do you like the sandwiches? I knew you'd like them. Yeah, I know they're your favorites. Well, I mean, we've been best friends for years now, so it would be kind of sad if I didn't know what you like, right? Do you maybe wanna lay down? I I don't know. I think it will make me less nervous. The grass feels so nice. It's so fresh and smells really good. Um, Wait, hey, look. This one. Yes, that cloud. It looks like an elephant. So cute, right? I'm not I'm not wasting time. I am well, maybe I it really looks like an elephant. I didn't just want to say that to distract you from the fact that I still didn't say what I wanted to say. Um no, I would never do that. Mm, don't be so impatient. This is so embarrassing. Or you think you know what I'm about to say? Mm-hmm. All right. Um. Well then, what do you think I'm gonna say? No, that is not it. Mm-mm. No, I'm not going to ask you if you want to go to Disneyland with me or something like that. No, I'm over the Disney phase. Okay, I no, um, no, um. Although no. It's something more important, way more important. Hey, don't laugh at me. I'm serious. I know you can't take me serious, but this time you have to, alright? Because it's really important, honestly. And it will not only affect me, but it will also affect you, no matter what you say about what I'm about to say. Why are you giving me this look? It makes me even more nervous. Mm. I know. I just don't know how to say it. And it's like, I never found the right moment to say it. So now that I have the opportunity, it's really scary. Mm, promise whatever, whatever you think about what I say, that you will not leave me and still be my best friend forever. Hey, if you break this pinky promise, if you break that, I will, um, I will kill you. Yeah. Well, no, I won't, but I will hunt you down as a ghost, and um, you will, yeah, you know, um. All right. I believe you. I believe you. Of course, you wouldn't break a pinky promise. No, never. um. Yeah, I am going to say what I'm going to say. I. Hey, stop that. Look, you can't just pounce on me when I'm trying to say what I'm going to say. I'm already nervous enough. Um, can you please get off of me? No? Um, well, uh, um, I don't think I will get, any kind of word, out of my mouth like that. You, uh, um, mm, um, so you, really knew what I was going to say. Uh, does that mean, you like me too? Um, well, I know that's kind of a stupid question, but still, I want to hear it. You do? um, well, I guess I was nervous for nothing, and I still am. Can, um, can we maybe, um, uh, lay down and continue watching the clouds? And can I maybe, lay on your chest? I can? Thanks. I, I always imagined um, what would happen if I, confessed, and this is way better than what I imagined.